up, everybody? My name is Matyas, Kasek, pro hockey player. Currently playing for the Embry Hat-Tricks, and I want to just give shout out to HowExpert.com. They booked this video, and I'm gonna tell you guys top 5 ice hockey tips. So I will start with the first one, the most simple one but really important, and that's to always have fun, right? No matter what you do, on the ice, off the ice, with the boys, have fun. Alright, the second one is try to always work when you're skating, when you're edge work. It's really important, especially nowadays, the hockey getting so fast, so I would say skating it's really huge. Third, work on your shooting, work on your stick handling, to be really comfortable with your stick. Fourth, if you're in a hockey team, I feel like team building and stuff like that is really big. So definitely that. And fifth, just try when you're playing, every time go to the net. Like, if you want to score a lot of goals, that's all my coaches were telling me. If you want to score more goals, just go to the net every time. It's gonna bounce. On your stage, something's gonna happen. If you're never gonna go to the net, you're never gonna score goals, right? So that's about it. That's my 5 tips. I hope you guys like it and enjoy your day. Have a great holidays, Merry Christmas, and see you guys around.